Talking about a rebel like me, I grow like a tree, like a stump, like a lump. I knew this guy that never gave a fuck, who would drink vodka and pee just to have fun. It wasn't a tease, it wasn't meaning speaking of reality, homie. And now I'm gonna tell you, the dark hole is real, homie. And now it's the dark tree growing and the reality set tone. New world order's coming. You better be. Oh shit, it's 2016, so it must be flowing. Already going. And no matter what, battery's almost out. But next thing I'll do is just listen to other rappers rap. Only real shit from the west side coast in. And I'm not gonna stop till it and then the flow will go hardy like a party. Tell Marshall he's invited, and P Diddy and all those rappers are legit while the West Coast hit. Spit legitly, no matter what. Rap it, attack it, grab your destiny before somebody else teases you and takes it away like ABC. I promise you, you don't ever think. Because if you thought you'd think it easy as 1, 2, 3, and then it's a rap that will bleed. Insanity, you see a man sitting in a chair without even wondering where he came from, like a shadow of a nightmare. I'm teasing, squeezing, I'm bleeding, I'm meaning what I'm speaking, and if you don't feel it, then fuck you too. It's on all over YouTube. I'm spitting, free flow styling. I don't write my shit. I'm retarded. I don't know how to spell, so fucking I never passed graduated school. Fuck the word. It's ET all day, and I'm a Martian. I'm a grow. It's the same like a wheat, like a stump. I never give a fuck, and I'll put a nut on top of it, just so y'all know I'm a spun. Spun the fuck out. Fuck it. I'm gonna grow like a hat. Cat and mouse game. Nah, this is real life, homie. And no one's really sitting in the chair, but you know it. It's flowing, it's going, it's insane. You know, like a fire pit, I might burn the lizard before I piss and take another shot of it, like a fucking hit. And no matter what, it's legit, like Sony. It's gonna hit like an apple tree. You'll never see Eve, cause she's evil like a vine in the darkest tree of a night shadow, right next to the actual reality. It's green, it's money flowing, an evil tide. But if you're blowing up, then you know what to do with it. Then you know if you're legit when you spit, then you'll know what to flow. You'll know when to go and when to stop, yo. And you'll know what to say when you pause in a minute and think, hey, I actually made it.